AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 explicitly is presently at $0.005. AMP explicitly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a quite huge manner. AMP keeps truly descending development today in a sort of significant manner. 18 August 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What generally is momentary cost expectation for AMP? In a real sense, is AMP a sort of wise speculation? Or so they basically thought. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting how AMP keeps especially descending development today in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging essentially profound into the AMP specialized examination, explicitly let us in every practical sense discuss the by and large current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,100,425,532 in a very significant manner. The for the most part all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $71,015,534,287. Incredibly, Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%. Essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17%. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value lessening of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours. Or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time span, or so they generally thought. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 13.42 and presently exchanging at 51 cents. Or so they by and large thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which truly is genuinely huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an extremely descending course, for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, an extremely broad, essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in every way that really matters, large way. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to in every way that really matters distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part shows that AMP keeps pretty descending development today in every way that really matters enormous way. Support is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of more genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that AMP records commonly descending development today, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which dealers fundamentally move especially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very huge. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP explicitly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in every practical sense, recent hours, and sort of has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which by and large shows that AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, in every way that really matters, is right now at $0.005. Truly, in spite of mainstream thinking, one-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while most certainly complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, exhibiting that AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 basically is as of now at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. There explicitly are practically 42,227,702,186 especially are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP Value Examination AMP Cost Investigation for 18 August 2023, Insight in Everyday Time Span, basically made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize relative strength INDEX/RSI, moving sort of normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to truly break down the future development of the AMP. While AMP's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange truly signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how we use in every practical sense relative strength INDEX/RSI, moving truly normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving all things considered, normal EMA to especially examine the future development of the AMP. While AMP's Williams %R marker, for the most part is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, especially signal all things considered, is essentially conceivable at this reach, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the for the most part signal line after a hybrid, which sort of is genuinely critical. AMP financial backers need to by and large sit tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters, day-to-day diagram, further appearance. How moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a quite enormous way. The main help level for AMP explicitly is at $0.005, while the subsequent one by and large is at $0.004, which fundamentally shows that we utilize truly relative strength INDEX/RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA to in every practical sense, break down the future development of the AMP. While AMP's Williams %R marker essentially is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange, truly signal most certainly is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how we utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX/RSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving essentially normal, EMA,